O, hook, O sounds as in hook. We took out the fish that jumped onto the hook. O in cook sounds Let's go and cook by the book. Look at this word, book. The letters O in book make the sound. How to make the sound? Make your lips a little round to make the sound, as in book. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letters O and make the sound, as in hook. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Foot. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Wood. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Hood. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Look. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Wool. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Hoof.